Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to move The Sims 4 to an external hard drive. First, make sure your external hard drive is connected to your computer and is showing up in File Explorer. Keep it plugged in during this whole process. Now open File Explorer and go to where The Sims 4 is installed. For most players using the EA app, go to EA app, then Library, find The Sims 4 and click on the three dots. Click on View Properties. After that, click on Open Folder. If you use Steam, go to the Steam folder, then Steam Apps, then Common. Once you find the Sims 4 folder, right-click on it and choose Copy. Now open your external hard drive. Create a new folder and open it. Right-click inside and choose Paste. Wait for the files to finish copying. This may take some time. After that, open the EA app or Steam. Go to the game settings and uninstall the game after verifying that the copy and paste process is complete and the game is in your external hard drive. Now click on Install and change the install location to the folder on your external hard drive. It will locate the game files. The app should now detect the game on the external drive. From now on, always keep the external hard drive connected when playing The Sims 4. Thanks for watching.